to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about guys how to reset mobile data network setting in our Tecno phone. So friends you want to reset your mobile data. So friends how can you reset it? In this video I will show you guys. So before starting video friends first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon and like my video friends. First of all guys we will on our phone setting to reset guys mobile data setting. Then guys scroll it. Guys click on phone system setting and when you can see reset option guys tap here guys click on your reset mobile data setting guys you can see mobile data guys we will tap here to reset. After that guys you can see this notification means this setting. So friends you can see confirm your pattern, use your device pattern to continue. So you have your pattern lock, so draw your pattern and guys you have any password so enter your password. So just click here reset setting, please wait. So as you can see network setting has been reset. So your mobile network means your mobile data setting has resetted in your Tecno mobile and guys you can use it. So like that guys you want to reset your mobile data so once you can reset in your Tecno phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching, bye friends.